geometry anymore. Did that just poof on? Did anyone see it just disappear on me? I don't know where it went. But it's still there. Did everyone see their dynamo? Did everyone see the dynamo curve in the background? Okay. No, you don't? Okay. You can right click and say show all. Zoom to fit. Okay. So we want to set the location. So go ahead and wire up the element. Okay, so wire up the element. By the way, we can run it automatic, that's okay. And then all right, and then where were we? There we are. Okay, ready? Then wire this up, and then boom. Did you see it move? Ooh, oh, that's nice, right? Isn't that beautiful? Everyone see what happened? Everyone get it? Set location. What set location does is it says, give me a Revit element, and I will move that to a specified like geometry. Okay? That's what happens. Now, the handout looks slightly different. We'll get there in a second. The handout looks slightly different. Okay, everyone there? No? All right. It defaults to 1. I hear a lot of conversation. I want to put a slider on here now, okay? Because watch this, everyone, and you can go ahead and okay, ready? So if I want to do another one, everyone with me? Everyone with me? Watching? Okay. If I want to do another one, what I got to do is select model element. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to say select edge, and I'm going to select that one. Now, do you see how it's set it on the inside? Right? So sometimes it has to be negative, sometimes it has to be positive. Okay. So what we do is let's put on a number. Let's put on a slider on a plus and a minus. Okay. So everyone go up to here and type in slider, so that we can, and it's going to be an integer slider. Can everyone do this? And then here, put the minimum at -1, put the maximum at 1, and put the step at 2. Okay? You got it? And then wire that up to the distance. Now you have the ability to flip this back and forth between plus and minus. Okay? So now I'm going to put it to plus. I'm going to look there, and I can switch it to minus, and then the beam moves up. You see that? You got it? Isn't that cool? Ooh, it gets better, right? So you can use this script and run along your beams and do this. It may not be 1 foot, it may be 6 inches. Make sure you consult that architect, because at this point in time, I imagine that the architect has done an entire study of all the interior slab edges and how it would affect all the wall ratings, and they would have fully detailed each intersection and cut sections all the way around to get you an educated professional decision on where that interior beam should sit relative to the edge of slab, right? Does that happen? Okay, well, wherever you get that number, put it in there, okay? Now, it's okay to use this, but there's a new kit on the block that's simply awesome. It's called Dynamo Player. You can use Dynamo Player to actually rock through this pretty quickly. So why don't everyone go ahead and close this, and then everyone open this thing called Dynamo Player. Because I already have a preset one. Okay, so if you haven't finished, there's one called Final. You can open up that later. Okay, and then Dynamo Player, what you do with Dynamo Player, if you have an existing script, you point it to that existing script. So in case it's not pointed at the right direction, click this one called Dynamo Player. And then for you, is it already show Dynamo Player? Huh? No? I mean, does it already show this folder, the line offset? Okay, so what you got to do is I think for you it would be in the C drive, and then your data set, you got to go to the data set. For me, it's a little different. For me, it's a little different. It's right here. You select the folder, select the align offset folder, okay, and it'll show the script that's saved in there. Okay, and then click this button here. I know I moved a little quick, but